Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is set up a MetaMask wallet. You're going to want to go to metamask.io/download.html, as you can see up here at the top. It is going to be a browser extension at the top there, so we'll go to install on Chrome. You can also do this on Brave and Firefox. Add to Chrome, add extension. It's going to download. There we go. Ready to get started? All right. We are going to set up a new wallet. If you already have another wallet and you were trying to restore that wallet on a different browser or a new computer or whatever, that's what you'd be doing here. You'd be entering your secret recovery phrase, but we're creating a new wallet. So we're going to click this. These are all your warnings. Make sure to read through all of this stuff and be sure about what you're reading. Never collect keys, addresses, transactions, balances, hashes, or any personal information. MetaMask will not ask you for this. Your seed phrase, your secret recovery phrase, is your own. Never give it to anyone ever for any reason. That is the keys to your wallet. Anyone who has that can do whatever they want. So we're going to go ahead and hit I agree. You're going to create a password. Agree to the terms of use and create. Now this video, we're not going to watch this right now, but when you set up your wallet, you're going to watch this. This is
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications.
Just explaining what MetaMask is and how it's going to help you with your secret recovery phrase. It's going to tell you all of this on the side, your 12 words. You save them somewhere and you make sure that no one ever gets a hold of those words. Some people have pieces of metal with the words engraved on them so that it's fireproof. Do not ever write them in any kind of Google Doc, or really don't have them on your computer at all, and because anyone could then find that somehow. If it's saved on the same device, then it's not really secure. But make sure to watch this video and to go through this whole thing when you set up your own wallet. Now this is your secret recovery phrase. Like I said, this is your security. This is the keys to all of your money that you put in here. And realistically, since it's so easy to set up these wallets, you could set up multiple wallets if you start to have too much money flowing and you're not, it's safe to keep money in separate places than to keep it all in one wallet that potentially gets some kind of security breach and then all of your funds are gone. So we're going to go ahead and reveal these words. And what you're going to do is take a second to write down your words. You can write these down on a piece of paper for now, and then later put it somewhere safer Like I said, do not type this on your computer. Do not leave this accessible to anyone that you would not trust with your money, which should be pretty much no one. So we've written that down, and what you're going to do is click Next. Make sure you wrote that down correctly. We are going to test you in just a second. Alright, click Next. Now, it's kind of a little test to make sure that you aren't about to lock yourself out. So now you have to put the words in order by clicking them in the order that you wrote them down. If you don't put them in the exact order, it's not the password. And that's it. We just set up our MetaMask wallet. You click, you read all your tips for storing it safely. Be careful of phishing. Never, ever, ever give anyone your secret recovery phrase, ever. Or the password that you started in order to get in there. But you're not going to have to type that secret recovery phrase. You're just going to have to type your password to get into your wallet every time. Now you can see up here, this is your Ethereum address. We're going to have to go ahead and set up MATIC on here. It's going to take a quick minute to do this. Alright, if you want to add Polygon MATIC Mainnet to your Metamask wallet, you're going to enter this information here directly into the networks area on your Metamask wallet, and this would work for any various networks that you're trying to add. You come up here to this little symbol, you click on that, and come down to Settings, scroll down to Networks, Add Network. It's going to open up this screen, network name, RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer. You can get all of this information from this here. There are different RPCs you can use, but you just copy and paste all this information into the spaces on your wallet. Network name, RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer, hit save, and then that network will be up here with all of your other usable networks. And that's it. Now you are able to do DeFi and playing games, minting NFTs, whatever it is you want to do on the Polygon MATIC network.